Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I am going to try out this Madam Glam New York, everything you love at your fingertips. Ooh, but not my fingertips this time, it'll be my daughter's.
Hello.
See, there she is, her little fingertips. So Madam Glam actually sent me this out to try, so woohoo, thank you Madam Glam. So I'll have a coupon code in the description box, so check it all out. So let's open it up. La la la. Oh, tape everywhere. I'm glad I got my scissors.
Careful.
Let's see. Okay. It looks pretty full. I'm at an awkward angle with my camera, but whatever. Oh, there's a little lamp. I don't even need mine. What? So I'm gonna put this lamp aside because I don't need you. We are going to use everything Madam Glam. I thought it was a full kit, but I wasn't sure. So these are the colors. They let me pick the colors. So my buddy Marissa is getting this kit. So Marissa, this is your kit. So I told her she could pick whatever colors she wants. So these are the ones that we have. Look at that pretty. Oh, pretty. And then my lovely daughter will pick whatever colors she wants out of these three. Nice. Ooh, nice. Soak off gel polish. So fuzz everywhere. And it also comes with, of course, the base coat and no wipe top coat. A little lamp. Oh, and I don't even show you. Ta-da! We'll open that up. And that's it. Cute little cushion box. And they are vegan, 21 free formula, so there's free from 21 most toxic chemicals found in nail polish. They do not test on animals, they are cruelty free. There's the little bunny. And produced with respect for the environment. So great. Sounds awesome. And there is the instructions. So I am gonna get the stuff to prep her nails because you know, I didn't do that. But, okay, all set up. I got the cute little lamp. See, there it is. Isn't that cute? Look at that. So it says curing time 2 minutes by UV lamp, 30 seconds by LED. Do I know what that is?
Do you?
I don't know. Mini UV LED lamp. The hell is that supposed to mean? Okay, well.
It's a UV LED lamp.
Yeah, clearly it's both. So
it's a mini one.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks. She's very helpful. She gets her sarcasm from both her mom
sarcasm?
Sarcasm. Her sarcasm is from her parents. Yep. Okay, one button settings, 45 seconds and 60 seconds. So, okay, well, we'll just wing it. So I'm going to prep her little nails. She has nice long nails. That she does not get from me. That's more, my sister's always had the beautiful nails. Whatever.
It takes so much effort to not pick them off.
Well, that's true. So I am just going to do this. So I'm going to file the edge of her nails like so. And then I am going to buff them. So I will be back when we buff. Okay, I filed the edges. Whoop, that's okay. I don't need it right now. The cord just came off from the little thingamabobber. Like,
so this one is done. I can get it.
So I'm gonna just buff lightly just to get the shine off the nail. And then we are going to start the polish. Oh, I do have a cleanser over here from Sally's. So this is it's from Sally's Beauty Supply. ASP 2-in-1 dehydrator and cleansing wipes. So I'm just using that with my little lint-free pad there. Clean up all her dusty nails.
And then
It smells like alcohol. Well, what do you think dehydrates it?
You said cleanser. That's not what
I
I'm
don't know.
picturing.
Whatever, I'm not, this tiny writing on the back, I'm not gonna about to read that. Okay, so I prepped, apply base coat and cure. I love how it's just very, you know, whether the lamp has both UV, ELD, whatever. So we're gonna put on the soak off base coat. La la. Let's see. Whoa, that is dripping. Okay.
Move in the frame.
Right. Do that, yep. Oop. Make sure it's not super drippy.
I made my sitting position very inconvenient for this hand.
You're welcome. Okay. So you can put that in, and it's gonna be awkward because it takes 4 fingers at a time. So we are going to do that to both hands, put the base coat on, and then we'll be back. Okay, I put it under the lamp with 2 button presses, so whatever timing that is, I don't know. But that's what we did. So I'm going to put this light pink on it, and then we'll see if I can attempt a French tip with this color. So this color right here is all natural. So let's, oh, I should kind of shake it up a bit. Do, 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 do. Okay. So that's it. So let's check this. Check it out. Okay. Try not to make a mess. Oop, a little bit. Light colors usually need 2 coats, so. Oh, not bad. That's a pretty color. Quiet because I'm concentrating and I'm making a big old mess. Okay, fuzz. There we go. Okay, that is coat 1. And I'm going to have her put her hand under the lamp. I'm going to press the button twice. And then I will come back and show you the second coat. Here's one coat. I'm going to put the second coat on, and then we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to cure it under that little mini lamp with 2 cycles as I make a big old mess, but you know. And then we will be back. Okay, here is 2 coats. It looks good. And light colors always need 2 coats, so let's see if I can do something with the pretty burgundy color.
Careful with my nails.
They're dry. So. Okay, let's see. Let's start with this hand. See if I give up right away.
If a French nail doesn't work, just do a funky pattern on each one.
There we go. Oh, that'll work. See? Ta-da! So I'm going to just carefully do this.
I'm gonna itch my face.
As long as you're not moving.
I'll try not to.
There we go. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna carefully do that, just tapping it on the end. And, cute, huh? And then we'll be back. Okay, one hand is done. Well, with the color. That went on really nice. So I'm gonna do the other hand and I'll be back. We're back. I'm gonna do the top coat. And then she will cook. And then we will get one last look-see. And we'll finally be done. Okay, we are done. They turned out pretty good. I'm liking it. The Madam Glam went on nicely. 2 coats definitely for the lighter color, but that's like it with every gel polish I've ever tried. And the darker color, 1 coat on the tips was plenty. Sometimes it's not. So yeah, good job. Good job. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like this video. Give me a nice thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a video, because who knows nowadays? It could be a Tuesday, it could be a Saturday, it could be next month. Who knows? So just hit that notification bell so you'll be in the know when I upload my next video. Yes. And don't forget to check out Madam Glam's shopping sites and coupon code down below. I'd tell you the percentage, but I have no idea. I completely forgot. But it'll be down below. Read the description. See you all next time. Toodle-oo.